Alright guys, here we are in the truck series again. There we go. Got the overlays up, got fuel calculator up now so you can see it. 43 laps, Darlington, starting towards the back in 13th. There are...
Have luck, everybody.
There's 20 in the field. We're the number 14 truck, so very low expectations. Qualified 13th, so we're already ahead of where we're supposed to be. There's a few guys that didn't qualify that are probably going to try and wreck the field trying to drive through it. And then you got a couple of guys out front that are crazy fast. I don't think that they will stay there. Between tire wear and... I just don't think that they're going to be able to hang on to it, trying to push as hard as you have to run those kind of lap times. Brad? So, yeah.
Hey, 19, can you explain why you're such a high number with such a super fast lap time? The math doesn't add up.
Maybe he's new.
Must be a good gaming chair.
Either that or he's normally in top split and he's dropped down.
Off account, maybe.
2200 strength
bit of the track, you know. Good luck, guys. Back in front on the way in left.
Let's try to be respectful to each other and make it for good luck to y'all.
So we're going to try and find a hole and ride. I just want to survive. I don't think we're going to make it through turn 1. And they're spinning already.
Check it up.
Single file. Pit road is closed. Fleet car ahead. Left
Whole tire's stuck apparently.
I just made it through that.
Cold tire stuck, but it also doesn't help if somebody behind
well, we'll see where we're going to shake out on that one, because
get into you more.
That wrecked half the field in the first
13, you
corner.
can go on by me, so I need to let you by.
I am so sorry to the people who were behind me that I got loose.
13!
Pit road's open.
Just go catch the pace car and it'll sort out later.
13, gotta go. There we go, finally. Thank you everybody who was behind me and checked that.
Pace car is going to be exiting turn 4, so be careful backstretch in 3 and 4. We're behind the pace car off of 4.
Alright, so I called it. I said I didn't think we were going to get it. We were going to make it through turn 1. We are correct in that assumption. Looks like I don't honestly know where we are. We'll see where it shakes out.
I want to thank you and also apologize to the driver who was right behind me.
Pit road is closed.
Yeah, that was me, mate. I missed you. I collected the one who was also spinning in front of you. So I went round you and I just couldn't see nothing for just a cloud of smoke, mate. I couldn't see a thing, but I never touched you. I went past you as you span. I went above. So the guy that was on my outside, don't know what number he were, but thanks for the space.
So
I don't know why people piling. I think it's the 11, but why do people pile into turn 1 like that? I don't know.
Yep, 13th to 10th in 1 lap.
Guys think they have to get everything on lap 1, and
yeah, that's it. No hole. Didn't get to it.
Another thing Another thing about Darlington is, you know, it really is a one-group racetrack, so you really got to have a lot of give and take, especially at the start.
Yeah, a lot of people, you know, first lap, it's just, you have the best tires heading into one, you got to get up to all those positions.
The reason why I so spun out, I went very badly into the turn one. It was my fault for that, but I'm
All right,
thankful
now we're
for
going to be on
everybody
the
who avoided me on
outside,
that one.
not where I want to be. Kind of trapped up here if you get up here.
See, I had like 3 or 4 guys stacked up behind me, and I
I
thought,
will
oh my god,
try-
I'm going to get ass packed here. Thankfully I didn't. They gave me a lot of room.
I am going to do
Yeah,
everything I
saw the
can to
wreck
get
coming
single.
with that. There's 2
single
cars
file.
sideways in front of me. I passed the first one on the apron, then the other wreck
We're going to
was
try and
going
get
on.
single
I got
file
that one.
and hope
It
we
was-
make it
It
through
was
turn
fun
one
to
this
get by
time.
it. It would have been not so fun if I was in it.
I really don't want to play iPacing today.
Honestly, I
I'd
was
rather
just lucky
play
that I was able
iRacing.
to get it low, below
There's some
everybody.
these tires really fall off here.
Oh,
This
that's all
track
we
chews. This track chews up tires. So
Good one, Ross.
we're gonna play the tire
Get ready,
conservation
going
game.
green.
Where I'm not gonna run it hard.
The pace car is off. Be ready. Green, green, green. Green is on hand. Car inside. Clear. Car inside. Go low. The yellow flag is out.
That was pretty stupid there, wasn't it, Nine?
It's closed right now. Past up 5. Car. Catch up 18. Car.
Can we make a lap, please?
We'll be lucky if we make one green flag lap.
Now, hopefully the crashes will take care of themselves here in the first couple of laps. Then we can run the rest of the way green. I gave that guy room on. He just dive bombed me on the bottom. I gave him room and he couldn't hold it down there, so he slid across my nose and stuffed himself in the
Pit road's
wall.
open.
That's always fun.
Catch up 18. Car.
Yeah, I got a 2x out of it, but if that takes care of a crash, I'll eat it.
Yeah, I saw the guy just hit the wall and then just bounce across my screen like a tornado.
Pace car is going to be coming off for us, so be careful coming
All right,
from the
we're
back
going
stretch into the
to.
corner.
We took a little bit of hit there.
NIS
It's
this week
super
should be
early.
interesting.
I don't want to.
I thought about running it at 5, but I'm like, no, I might run it tomorrow night or Sunday night.
I think we'll go
What
ahead
is
and duck
NIS?
in.
I never heard of that term.
It's the NASCAR iRacing series. They run the cup cars, and they run pretty much 50% races, and then there's 4 events per year that'll run the full race. Typically the Daytona 500, the Coke 600, usually the Brickyard, but not this year. You got the Southern 500, and then they'll have like another random one.
Oh, thank you for explaining that. I appreciate it.
I hope.
I wonder what they're going to replace Indy with. Probably Phoenix at the end of the year now.
I hope Coda. That'd be awesome.
How would you want a full race of Coda? That's scary.
No yellows. Actually be able to get a race done within a reasonable amount of time.
Actually, to answer your question, yes, it is Phoenix at the end of the year. That is the 4th full race.
Left up 18. Car by.
I'm looking at the schedule right now.
Catch up 18. Car.
So we're going to get gas
It's the
and
Daytona 500, the Coke 600, the Southern 500, and championship race.
get some gas and fix the damage.
Who's y'all's favorite driver in the Xfinity series? Mine's Natalie Decker.
I don't watch Xfinity. Am I missing something?
I'm a Brandon Brown guy.
Oh, I like them.
Fuel and repairs.
I won one of his giveaways the other day. That was cool.
That's it. Go.
I personally prefer the truck series over every other series there is.
I'm kidding about Natalie Decker. I like Gregson, Moffitt, and Josh Berry.
They want you to
Fuck yeah.
fire. Catch that next car.
I know Natalie Decker gained a few fans the other day.
From
What happened? I didn't watch the race last week. What happened with Decker?
Look at her Instagram.
Alright, I'm on my phone right now.
I'll have to check if they're in the next auction.
Alright, we're in the back. We're,
Alright, get that out of
we're the
way.
last car in
Get a
the
hot
race
roll
right
going
now.
now,
It's
go
still
again.
running in this thing, it looks like.
Which post
Yeah.
is it from?
And
I think it was when she was on the beach the other day.
we're the last
So it
car
should
on the
be
lead lap,
her
of
most
15th.
recent-
We're
or
the
one
number
of her most
14
recent
car.
ones.
We'll make up a couple
Oh, I
spots.
see it. For some reason
Um,
it says I like that. I don't remember doing that.
Yeah. So we just got a couple places to go to where we qualified. Literally 2 trucks. And one
Well, first time's
to
the
break
charm,
even
right?
on our where we're supposed to be running. So we were up in the top 10, but I'd rather come in, get that damage fixed. I'm going to lay back here on the start, and we'll let these guys get
Road
sorted
Detroit's
out.
gonna be fun this week.
Race car is off.
If we can make it one,
Green flag.
if we can make it one green flag lap, I'll give you, all of you chocolate chip cookies. Does that sound like a deal?
Deal.
I'm giving you the spot. Jesus. Now we're gonna get passed by more people.
Alright, we got one guy up there holding up.
Yeah,
holding
cookies for
my
everyone.
pack up. And the 11 car's big slide. That's not going to do his right rear any favors.
Outside.
Another big wiggle by him.
Outside.
I was not anticipating the 5 slowing down that much. I don't know how he's a 5 truck. He is out to lunch. Slow.
Sorry, that wasn't meant to be a block ride.
You're good.
We try and get back to the 5 car. Not quite. I'm just
I
not
think
hitting
some
my
guys know
line
the difference
right.
between a block and getting loose or having an issue.
Well, sometimes people yell at you for it, so I was kind of screaming.
Yeah, but those are the guys that think they're better than they are, and you're doing something on purpose.
Okay.
The fact that you speak up is probably like more respect to everyone else than it shows than just ignoring something. You're at
I
least
just can't
acknowledge
quite
you
hit
did
that
try to
line.
do what you did.
When I hit the line, I'm
Yeah, you got it.
running a pretty good lap. Oh, we picked up a couple more spots just by missing
I'm never
Rex.
gonna make it out of here with a 0x.
Used to get cookies, right?
Get stuff 5, car.
I had it made by the wreck, and then he turned back up the track and sprayed me, got me a nice old 4x. Got my Darlington stripe.
Pace car going into 3. Check up on backstretch.
I don't understand why we're all pitting. We've barely made it. Couple.
Because we may never have another yellow and gotta have something extra.
Plus, we got 2 sets.
Is it just a 10 for 2 better? Worth it.
That was embarrassing. I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, Ross, I saw that.
I don't want to talk about it. I'm gonna go ahead and just fix my David. Let me know on the pace car.
You only have 1 tyre set remaining. They want you in single file. Get stuff 5, car.
Oh, well, we'll be on the inside, so we're up to, it looks like we're up to 11. We'll see if anyone else
We're
stayed
catching
in
the pace
pits.
car off of 4, so careful going through 3 and 4, going down front stretch.
See what we can do with this 5 car. I definitely think we're faster than him, and he was definitely holding us up. It's just so hard to pass here, at least for me. I know there's guys that probably
What's
watching
your favorite
this.
throwback so far?
Oh, it ain't hard to pass here. It's not an easy place to pass. I'm up into the top 10, so
Hey, leader,
it's
what
not
was your
life or
front,
death.
right front, if you can say?
We're having a good race so far. So if we can keep it clean, we'll keep having a good race.
Okay, with your secrets.
Mine were still 98 all the way across.
Yep.
97 right front, right rear.
When the 15 got the wall, I was trying to get by him so I could have the open track just to not be stuck behind another guy and see what would happen, but we didn't get that run that I wanted.
So hopefully the inside lane will get a good run, and we'll be able to get by it, clear the 5 car or 5 truck.
Well, at least we're nearly halfway.
Got some fresh rubber. Everyone's got fresh rubber now. Small field. I mean, we've only got 13 guys left in the race now, so hopefully we can do something here.
About to go green. Stay focused. The pace car is in. Green flag. Green
Nope,
flag.
horrible start there.
Outside. Outside is clear.
Ooh, big lose. Big slide.
Inside.
Louise put it in the wall.
Clear inside. Car inside. Keep high. Clear.
And we're in the wall again.
Okay, we're halfway to the finish.
Alright, we need to quit hitting the wall. God! I do not know what is wrong with this thing.
Still inside. Clear.
There we go. That feels better.
I know you're faster. I'll let you pie, but you can't do it down into turn 1.
I mean, you can, but should you?
Sorry about that, Virgin.
Thank you, Substation.
Clear inside.
Well, it's not like I had much of a choice. It was either do that or you'll run me over.
Clear high.
Oh, I really don't like when guys slide job me. Whatever. Just ride around. Try and keep our nose clean. We've already hit the wall twice on this run. Right rear is pretty warm, pretty hot. It don't help when you get into the wall on corner entry. Oh, we really are jumped, aren't we?
Stay high, there's a car on the low side. Clear.
That was rough.
It's not very good right now. I'm not. The truck's fine. Fixed setup, so I can't blame it on the truck. I just am not driving very well right now, so it is what it is. Move on and try another race later. Really hoping to be in the top 10, but that ain't happening right now. Wow. I'm really sucking.
I don't know how y'all are doing 3 and 4.
The wall again, and hey, there's 2x for that one. That's surprising. It's not even the hardest I've hit the wall yet so far. That's fun. Focus in and see if we can try and stay on the lead lap here the last few laps of the race. At least hold some dignity. I just can't stop hitting that wall. You're gonna see a lot of me in the wrecks part of the video. All the damn wall taps I've done. Well, as long as nothing stupid happens, we'll be able to stay on the lead lap here. Something stupid like that. Got another 2X. There we go. And there's another wall tap for you. God, I'm not even going to show the wrecks now. I'm so irritated with myself right now. I must have nuked the right front or something. I don't know. We will go look at that because this is just stupid. I'm not even running hard and I can't keep it off the wall.
One flag, one flag.
Looks like there's a good three-way battle for the lead right now. Oh, looks like the leader's pulled away, probably looking at the relative. All right, there we go. Stayed on the lead lap, so we got that going for us. Basically finished last. Only last car running.
Holy fuck, that was some kick-ass driving there in the top 5.
I agree, Thomas.
How are y'all driving 3 and 4? I hate it.
Jared, how did you manage to hold on to it? God damn, good job, man.
I got an A license in dirt. That's all I can say. I'm used to being the sideways anyway. So.
Chicken flag, chicken flag.
Hey, Tyler, what was the question?
Yeah, right front. It was hot. Look at that, 270 degrees. Just nuked it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.